My video guide will help you to remove the unwanted browser extension that is called Getting Files. Getting Files is an extension that enables you easily and quickly download multiple files from websites. Also, it allows you to keep track of downloads and get quick access to manage or create new downloads. The problem with this extension is that often it is spread through integration with some free applications. In many cases, people just download and install it unintentionally. So if this extension was mistakenly added to your Google Chrome browser, you should undertake the measures and get rid of it as soon as possible. Access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, then disable and remove this extension if it was installed without your intention. And of course, remember to be very careful while you surf the internet. Very often such third-party extensions are bundled with certain free programs. In many cases, people just download and install such unwanted software without realizing this fact. I also recommend that you additionally research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official page, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin thoroughly researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-Ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.